This is a guide on how you can change language of your Google account on Android. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open the Google app. After that, click on the profile icon and then click on Google account. After that, this page will open up. Click on personal info, which is the second option here. After that, scroll down until you see the option that says languages. As you can see, it is under the category of general preferences for the web. Okay, now click on language and then click on the pencil icon right next to your language. And then you can type in the language that you want to change to. For example, if it's English, you're going to click on English, and after that, it will ask you to choose the region. Every region has a different English. Okay, for me, it's India. So choose the region. And once you're done, click on save. And that's it. That's how you change your language on Google.